Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to do something fun in the Excel because we are going to turn the Excel into a prize wheel spinner. Yes, spin the wheel, win a prize. Perfect for office games and team fun. I will give you the sample Excel file in the description, you can download it. So this is the spinning wheel. You can start the spin by click of this button. Before that, you need to enter a name here for the person who is spinning and the price will be automatically updated. If I click the start spin now, the Excel will ask you to enter the employee name found in column Y. So for example, I enter the name. Then after that, I will click on start spin. The wheel starts to spin. Yes. So the message displays, congrats John, you just won TV. It will be automatically updated in the column Z. Click on OK. And we can reset the spin wheel by clicking on this button. So the spin wheel will be resetted successfully. Okay. So let me show you how I did. I will not do a deep dive in the VBA code. I will tell you how to do within a short span of time, and you can download this Excel file as I told you before in the video. For those people who doesn't want to know how it's done, you can skip the coming process. And those who want to know how it's done, you can continue watching the video. Anyway, it will only takes hardly 2 minutes to do everything. And I will create a new Excel file, spin wheel. Let me open it. We will give the tab name spin wheel. Always try to list the prices in column A, and we will put a number 1 in the column B. For example, I'm giving the items list like gift card, keyboard, TV, power bank and coffee mug. And for the probability number, I will put the 1. From this, we will create a pie chart and delete the heading and also this one. We'll go to this one, and for the data labels, we will do the inside end and go to more options. We will click on the series name. Sorry, not the series name. It will be the category name. Then we will highlight it as something like white, then do bold. Then after that, we need to save this Excel as a macro enabled worksheet. Then we will save this file as save as browse. We will change the type into Excel macro enabled workbook. Click on save. After that, we will go to developer tab, Visual Basic, insert module. This is a text file which we have the VBA code. I will copy the code from here, then paste in the VBA section. Control S, save, close this one, then go to developer tag again, go to insert, form controls, click on this button and place the button here. Assign this macro, start spin. Okay. Change the name into start spin. So we put the button for starting the spin. Then after the spin, we can reset the spin wheel. For that, I will be pasting another macro code for that. So again, go to developer tab, Visual Basic, insert module, copy the code from here, Control C, then paste here, Control V, save, close this window. Again, go to developer tab and insert form controls. We will place the button here. Click on the reset spin wheel, the macro which we pasted right now. Okay. We will rename reset spin wheel. Now we will go to view and remove the grid lines. If we click on start spin, Excel will ask you to create an employee name in the column Y. Okay. Always try to write the name in column Y and the price will be automatically displayed in the column Z. So for example, we will put John here, then start spin. Congrats John, you just won headphones. So headphones are in this section. Always the price will be coming in this area. So we will put an arrow here, a red arrow, insert, shapes, triangle, rotate it, shape fill, red. So before starting the next spin, try to reset the spin wheel. It will be better. So the spin wheel is resetted, the colors will change, the order will be changed, everything will be changed. And after that, writing third name, you will start the spin again. So let me tell you, this chart is taking the data from here. And if you are adding something, if you want to remove or add something, you can type here, maybe like mobile, and put 1. So as we are using VBA code in this one, sometimes the graph won't update it automatically. So we need to update it manually by going to the chart and right click, select data. This one, click on this one, select source, select the whole table, click OK. So the mobile, the latest one which is added should be, yes, here, it's here, mobile. And we can do the start spin again. If you're creating a wheel by your own, you need to make sure to do these two things, like the chart name should be always chart 1, and also the sheet name should be spin wheel. Then only this code works. Otherwise, if you're changing the sheet name and the chart name, you need to go to VBA code and edit in the VBA code. It's better to make it sure the chart name will always be chart 1 here, and the spin wheel should be the sheet name. That's all for the video, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will be giving you the Excel file download link in the description. Please do let me know in the comments that what video should I do next. See you next time. Bye.